You might think a cold morning start is harmless, but the truth, those first 60 seconds after you turn the key can quietly shave 15,000, even 25,000 miles off your engine's life. That's thousands of dollars gone, all because of a few innocent mistakes you didn't even know you were making. Today, I'm going to expose the 5 cold start habits that are secretly killing your engine, and show you how to avoid them so your car lasts longer, runs smoother, and saves you serious money. Mistake number 1: revving immediately. Mistake number 1: hopping in, starting the car, and giving it a few wake-up revs. Here's the ugly truth: when your engine is cold, the pistons, cylinder walls, and every metal component inside are smaller than they should be. Metal only expands to its perfect, engineered fit once it's warm. Revving too soon is like asking an Olympic sprinter to start a race in shoes 2 sizes too small. Something's going to get hurt. You might even hear piston slap, that cold rattling sound. Over time, scored cylinder walls, worn rings, and a repair bill that will make your coffee go down sideways. Mistake number 2: long idling. This one's going to start arguments in the comments. Letting your car idle in the driveway for 10 minutes. Sounds like the gentle thing to do, right? Nope. Cold idling runs your engine rich, meaning extra fuel slips past cold piston rings, thinning your oil. And it warms up so slowly that you're wasting gas, time, and engine life. Instead, start the engine, let it run 30-60 seconds to circulate oil, then drive gently. Light-load driving warms it up faster, and your engine and wallet will thank you. Mistake number 3: wrong oil. Viscosity is your engine's lifeblood, but in winter, it's thicker and flows slower. Even modern synthetic oil struggles for those first few seconds after a cold start. If you're using the wrong viscosity, you're forcing thick oil through hair-thin passages, while metal parts scrape together, almost dry. Your manufacturer's recommended oil weight isn't a suggestion, it's the difference between smooth starts and early engine death. Mistake number 4: short trips and shutdowns. Ever start your car, drive 2 minutes to the store, and shut it off? Seems harmless. It's not. The engine never gets hot enough to burn off moisture and unburned fuel in the oil, which means corrosion and sludge build up inside. Short winter trips are the worst offenders. Combine errands or walk. That quick trip, it's better for the engine and your health. The correct cold start routine. The winning formula: start the engine, wait 30-60 seconds, drive gently under 2,500 revolutions per minute, and avoid full throttle until the temp gauge is normal. Got a turbo? Give it extra warm-up before boost. These tiny habits add years of reliable service. I've rebuilt enough engines to know the survivors belong to drivers who treat cold starts with respect. Treat your engine right in the cold, and you'll save thousands in repairs while enjoying a car that's always ready to run. If you want more tips that protect both your ride and your wallet, hit subscribe. Every week we drop proven, no-nonsense advice to keep you driving longer, stronger, and smarter.